thing which we are going to implement in today's episode is how to store the data into the Firestore, right? For that purpose we will create this screen first, and then using this add course we will add the data into the Firestore, right? So let's begin with that stuff. First of all, we will create one component here, ls, the name of the directory, ng generate component, and that will be our admin courses. So we have created our admin courses component here, right? First of all, let's add that into the routing module so that our app should also know what this indicates. Admin